Hi everyone, my name is Richard John. I'm a fifth year PhD student at MIT Mathematics. Congratulations on getting into the PhD program in the department. It's no small feat, and you should all be very proud of yourself. Unfortunately, due to the current circumstance, I am unable to see all of you in person, but I really look forward to meeting at least some of you in the department once everything goes back to normal. And in this video, I will be introducing some of the dormitories of MIT, and in particular, the so-called Ashdown dorm. So I am currently standing at the intersection of Albany Street. So this is Albany Street, and this is Pacific Street. And there are three dorms actually four dorms, but one is a little further, but there are three dorms in the vicinity. That one over there, blocked by the tree, is known as the Sydney Pacific dorm. It is the largest dorm on campus. Lots of students get placed in there. This dorm over here is known as the warehouse. It only has singles. It's probably the most, one of the most, if not the most expensive dormitory for graduate students at MIT. I stayed here for my first year, and I had a great time. If you are first year, the chance of you getting placed into a warehouse is pretty high. But today, I am going to showcase my current living residence, known as Ashdown. And if you give me 1 minute, let me put on my mask. Okay. So I am walking into Ashdown. This is known as the Houseizer room. It hosts lots of fun events during regular times, and now there's no event, so the room is left as mostly unoccupied. And this is the front desk of Ashdown. If you live here, you'll be able to access their package receiving service. And whenever you get a package, you will get an email from the front desk, which is very, very convenient. Okay, so I'm gonna enter from here, scan the card, and here I am. So I'm walking through the courtyard of Ashdown, and over here you could see the mailroom, and if you keep on walking, you will see a gym. So we're right over there. So that gym is mostly for, I believe that gym is mostly for weightlifting. Yes, it's for weights. I believe it is currently closed because of COVID. And that's the piano room over there, where you can, during normal times, you'll be able to play some pianos. Not right now. And this is the cardio room. The cardio room, surprisingly, is actually open, and there's someone working out right now. It is almost 11, but there's still people working out. So yeah, let's get in to Ashdown. And that's a little courtyard. Actually, before I show you my room, that one is a little courtyard. There are all sorts of fun activities you can do in Ashdown. So for example, you can, I never tried this before, but you can request an allocated piece of land and grow your own vegetables or fruits. You can also do barbecue here, right? Not, of course, not right now, but during regular times. Actually, let's get in from here. Okay. So we are inside the dorm of MIT and of MIT Ashdown, and One other thing I want to show you is there's a bike storage room that is currently closed. All right. And this is my room. Let me get my key. So if you need to dispose your garbage, you just throw the garbage in the front door, in front of your dorm, and someone will pick it up in the morning, and they will also give you a garbage bag. So I live in an efficiency. So I have the entire room to myself. On the other hand, the room is fairly small. So for those of you who are, a little claustrophobic, this might not be recommended, but it's pretty comfortable. It's pretty nice, right? So this is the bathroom and the toilet, and yeah, you can cook here. It's a small kitchen. You can cook here, and you can bake in here. They also give you a little fridge, and this is your workstation. So I actually never work in my dorm. I always so I'm a little claustrophobic. It's fine to sleep in here, but I never work here, which is why the setup on my desk is a little minimum. So this is so yeah, this is it. This is the entirety of my room. When you move in, you will get a bed frame like this, okay, and then you can there are drawers, and underneath the bed you get a bed frame like this. It's a single, and also you will get a mattress like this, right? I'm not used to sleeping on a single bed, which is why I've sort of converted into into a seating area while I bought my own double-sized bed, and I measured the dimensions, correctly, so that everything fits in. But this is my own purchase, and this is what you'll be given to when you move in, and you also are also given a closet where you can put your stuff in, and that's my room. Okay, so now let me show you the laundry room. Okay, so I walk upstairs. It's on the second floor. You have to be wearing masks when you are in a common area. So, yeah, you can see the courtyard from the second floor. And this is the laundry room. They've recently renovated the laundry rooms. So right now you can pay for laundry services using an app. Yeah, using an app called Wash Lava. It's about $1.25. Okay. And one last thing I wanted to show you is the common kitchen. For those of you who prefers, to cook with your friends once everything goes back to normal, this might be useful. By the way, over there, that is known as the Thirsty Pub. It's a student-run pub within Ashdown that is accessible by MIT affiliates or MIT affiliates, the guests of MIT affiliates. Of course, it's closed right now, but it's a really nice space. They have karaoke nights, board game nights, and trivia nights. yeah, hopefully by the time you get here, they will be open. And now I'm showing you the kitchen. And someone's cooking. All right, so yeah, this is it. So I hope this tour gives you a sense of what to expect once and if you move into an MIT dorm or Ashdown in particular. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. My email is z, as in zebra, zrichard at mit.edu. Okay, and thanks, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.